What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today we're going to be making my one pot stir fry. I got my cold duck, and I'm ready to go. So let's go get it started. Oh, yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Now, the first thing that we want to do today is add our carne picada. Basically, this is just thinly shredded beef. You can use any kind of thin shredded beef that you want. You know, you can get somebody to thin slice a round roast or anything that you can find at the store pretty much. We just happened to light onto this today, and it's going to work perfect for what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and dump that in there, take our old spatula, and start breaking it up. Now this won't cook very long because, like I said, it's pretty thin. So you got to watch it and make sure that you don't burn the bottom, baby. Go ahead and flip this around like that. Yeah, that's looking about right. Like I said, we're going to let that go for a little while, and then once that's browned up, we'll be ready to add our vegetables in. Alright, now like I say, you want to get in here every once in a while and just break this up a little bit. That way nothing gets stuck together and everything cooks evenly. And now, while we got this open, we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Just a little taste. Liven things up a little bit. You know, we got to live a little bit. One more stir. Alright, now we're going to put that lid on, and this should be done pretty soon. Now, while we're waiting for that to get done, I can enjoy another glass of this nice cold duck. I don't know if you've ever tried cold duck before, but boy, it's top shelf. We love it so much, me and my brother even made a song about it. Y'all need to go check that out. It's on Spotify, iTunes, YouTube. It's everywhere you want to listen to music, baby. Cold Duck by Black Iowa Punch, my brother Punch. Right now, I'm going to pour one more glass while we wait for this meat to finish up. It's delicious. It's kind of like champagne and red wine mixed together. Kind of tastes like grape soda to me. You got to be careful of this part. Oh, wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Gonna pour some in our jelly jar here. Got to pour down the side now. Make sure you savor the flavor. Don't lose it all to the bubbles. And you really don't want too much, you know. You don't want to overindulge. Well, I say that now, but I will later. But we're going to be careful while we're cooking. Just a little bit will do. Ooh. Wonderful. Now let's get back to our cooking and get this thing finished up. It's good stuff right there. Yep. And that meat's looking just about right. So now we can take this lid off and go ahead and add our vegetables in. Now these vegetables, these are bird's eye frozen, what does it say here? Teriyaki stir fry vegetables. Sorry about that. Get them in your frozen food section near the frozen vegetables. They come with these little individual packets that come in there, and we're going to add these in too. But we've got our own sauce, and I'm going to show you why here in a minute. So go ahead and take the packets out of there. We're going to take our bag of frozen vegetables, and yes, they can remain frozen, and pour them right in there. You leave them frozen, that's going to help it steam. It's going to give it a good flavor, baby. Now we're going to take our spatula, and we're going to mix all this together. You want to be careful so you don't throw anything out of the side there. Ask me how I know about that. Sometimes I get a little crazy. Alright. And once that's all mixed in and looking pretty good, we're not going to put the sauce on just yet. We're going to go ahead and put our lid back on. And we're going to let that steam for, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes. Just till the vegetables get kind of tender. We'll be back and check on that here in a minute. Yeah, that's looking just about right, baby. See how our noodles and our vegetables are soft now. And everything looks to be stewing in together just right. Now, we can go ahead and add our sauce. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add our sauce. We're going to start with the packets that came with the vegetables. It's a nice little peel back thing here. You ain't got to use no scissors or no knife. Kind of just peel it back like that and just let it flop right in there, baby. Now there's one. Here we go with the second one. Sometimes it's kind of a pain when your hands get wet and you gotta start making maneuvers with it, but you can get it done. I believe in you, baby. Put that one in there too. And now we're gonna open our sauce. Now here you are. You've disgraced me in my finest moment. Sometimes you just gotta get mad with it. And it's still not gonna come. Alright, sorry for the delay, but we had to get that sauce bottle open. It was giving me problems, man. Sometimes in life you're gonna face adversity, but all you gotta do is find a solution. There it is. There's the sauce, baby. The thing that ties it all together. Oh, and I can smell it now. That's delicious. Take our spatula and stir that up. Make sure everything gets good and covered. We're going to turn our heat down to about, medium heat, low heat. And we're going to let it stew and flop. And after that, it should be ready to taste. And it should be done. Yep, there it is. It's flopping. Just like Grandma taught me. Boy, she'd be proud today. Look at that delicious stir fry. Yes, sir. Now, that's ready to eat. So I'm going to have the first bite for myself. All right, baby. The time has come. The stir fry is done. And I'm about to have the first bite for me. Here we go. Man, it smells good. Make sure I get a little bit of vegetable and beef in there, a little noodle. You want to have everything in one bite. That's the pleasure of it. Oh, hot. Hot. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. I've outdone myself. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure and like and subscribe and tune in for next week's episode. Make sure you watch my other episodes of Cooking with Black Iowa right here on my channel. Y'all have a good one. Peace.